Hi guys, welcome back, and today, so we are going to try and have a very insane run, because as you can see, I have 104 boards. So, yeah, that's crazy. Hey, okay. I'm trying to do something. Boom! Now we're getting boosted up. And we already made it tonight. But look at this. We're like, we already got so high. We're going fast. No. Okay, well we can use these. Oh man, I have a lumberjack. Are you kidding me? Why do I have the other one? Get these head starts and okay, yeah, let's skip this. So which one did I just do? I think I did head start. Well, I'm just gonna do like 3 head start and 3 4 booster, because that's how many I need. So literally only 15 seconds. Funny, because I'm skipping it when it goes. No. Skip. Okay. This is gonna. Why? If this is the same ad for the 3rd time, I'm gonna. What on earth? Okay, I have the 3 things. I'm gonna change my. Oh wow, this is good. 10,000 in 1 run without jumping or rolling. That's impossible. That's like impossible. What? That's impossible. Bro. Score 1,000. Zaps. Double jump. I want to have the power to double jump, man. Oh, speed up. Speed up. Speed up. Speed up. And man, this is mine. This one also has the power to speed up. So I'm just gonna C. Good. Gold is useless complete. Oh nice, mystery box. Oh boy. Should I get that? I don't know. I'm already gonna reach 20,000. Now this is going to be a very crazy run, because I have a lot of boards, too. I really need a magnet right now. Oh man. Ah! Woo! This board is cool. Awesome. I mean, just look at it. Very cool. Ah! Man, this board is just so cool. Okay, this is awesome. Oh no! Ah! Now this is cool. Whoa, that goes fast. Whoa. Man, it's crazy how much you can get to score in 30 seconds. Right, I want a ×2 thing. Whoa! I want a ×2 thing. I'm going crazy. Oh boy, I only have 91 left though. Let's see if I can beat my record. All I have to do is score another 200,000 points. Ah! Whoa, this is being very close. Bam! Woohoo! Ah! Oh yeah. Oh man, I missed the T. Oh, that was a bit wild. I'm just trying to get a very, very crazy run. I mean, that's the name of this video. Doing an insane run. So I will get a very crazy run. Woo! ×2. Bam. Okay, we're gonna need one. Oh man, lost the mystery box. Ah. Oh, great. Okay. We're doing good. I keep crashing. Gosh. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Woo. He. He. Ha. Woo. Woo. Ha. Wee. Woo. And whoosh. Yay! Woo! Bam! Yes, a mystery box. Oh, I picked up 2. Scored 20,000 points. Jump over 2 trains. Just completing all these missions. Bam! Woo! Okay, this is just crazy. Whoa! And this is supposed to be Endless Runner. Oh my! I'm going insane. And mystery box. Jumped over a train. I'm gonna beat my score. Yep, I'm gonna beat my record now. Gonna see if I can beat my record in the time that I have the multiple. Nope. Oh. Ah. Okay, gonna make it, 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 gonna make it. Okay. Gonna do it, gonna do it, gonna do it. Oh no, I don't have a... Okay, this is... Bro, this is crazy. Okay, well we have plenty of keys. Plenty of keys. In fact, he has a key on himself. Man, I keep missing. I've missed a lot of mystery boxes. Oh man. Oh no. And I beat my score, but now let's see how high we can get. Oh boy. This is only one run. It's insane. But there's a reason I got all these hoverboards. Ah! Oh my gosh. In like 5 seconds, I used up 2 hoverboards. Whoa! Wee. 2 lanes in midair. That should be an accomplishment. Woo! Ah! Whoa! Oh boy! Pick up 12 power-ups. Oh man! Oh, here I'm gonna jump. Woo! Yeah, that's how high I jump. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, I'm good. Oh my gosh. I'm just shattering my record. You can't. Oh my gosh. This actually isn't the highest amount of gold that I've reached. Oh, I have no hoverboard. I just like grabbed that in midair. This is gonna get us some gold. Bam. Oh yeah. Whoa. One was moving faster than the other. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna make this. My plan is to hit like 500. Okay. Roll up, jump, and roll up, jump. Ah man, I think I'm gonna use the 8 because I'm trying to score like a master run. If I actually get like almost 1 million, I'm like, if I hit over 500,000, I'm going to scream. Like, that would be insane. Mystery box, yes. Okay, nice. Hey. Ooh. This is insane. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Nice. Oh, bam. Okay. Jump. Okay. Ah. Woo! Ah. I'm just gonna do 16. Hey, that'll leave me with enough to do 32. No! No! Okay. This is the last thing I can do. So I'm just gonna have to rely on hoverboards now. Oh, that was very close. Whoa. Wow. Oh, nice. Bam. Woo. Bam. And times 2. This is crazy. 3 boosts at the same time. Oh, the super sneakers ran out. So that would have been 3 boosts that time. Man, I switched 3 times. One more. Whoa. Bam. Jump. And times. Oh man, I missed the times. Oh, I keep missing all this gold. Oh, but I've collected an insane amount of gold. Okay then. I've collected a lot of gold. And not much of it. I'm just insane. Okay, that was kind of close. Oh my gosh. Ultimate run. This is the ultimate run. Okay. Whoa! Oh! This is so crazy. This is crazy. Wait, no. Okay, we're gonna have to use the free thing, the free ad, and then it's gonna be insane. Then it's like I'm gonna go crazy because like, oh, that's a funny ad. That's a funny security ad. And woo! Oh, I'm kind of glad I missed that super sneaker thing. Wee! Okay, this is looking good. I missed that. I missed that pogo, whatever thing. I think it's pogo. Boom! And a ×2, nice. I should probably put the hoverboard. And a mystery. I'm gonna count how many mystery boxes we've collected at the end. Great. And, I don't know why I dodged the super sneaker thing. I just want the super sneaker thing. Even though it is a good boost, because like you can jump on the trains when you need to. Like if it was too late to jump, like I could jump on the train right now. I wouldn't need the trains. Yeah, ×2. I'm literally gonna reach 500,000. It's gonna be insane. I still have 59 hoverboards left. Or 58. I reached 500. I'm at 500,000. What on earth? And I'm just a mere human. Because those scores are computer. Those scores are computer. They're not actual humans. They're just like NPC scores. NPC scores. They're not real humans that made those. Me, on the other hand, I just yeah, here I am at 517,000 and growing. Like I already passed that. Super hoverboard jump. Woo! Wait. And boom. Oh. Man, I lost super speed. It's fun when you can do like super jump. That actually one of the boards has the ability to give you like super jump. Oh, great. Oh, nice, I got a mystery box. Good, good, good. Okay, this is going nicely. I did not think, like, we're past 26 minutes in, and we're still in the same run. It's insane. It's crazy. Oh, shut. Wait, what? Was I supposed to get a super sneaker boost there? I had to jump on a train. But that's okay, because I still have a bunch of hoverboards left. To be specific, that is 50 of that. So 50 times 30. Oh my. 50 times 30. Man. No! Okay. Well, that has to be the end of the video because we already did it. But let's see. We died. It's so sad. So, 1 mystery box. 2 mystery box. 3 mystery box. And 4 mystery box. And 5 mystery box. And 6 mystery box. And 7 mystery box. And 8 mystery box. And 9 mystery box. And man, oh my gosh, new high score, 566,357. That is insane. Gosh. Get 3,000 coins. Oh my, I'm in 3rd place. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna double up and get 3,000 coins because that would be nice. That would be really nice because, yeah, that would be really nice. And I literally got 9 mystery boxes. What on earth? Crazy, and I have 15,000 gold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. Oh, I kind of used up my keys. Open 160 mystery boxes. I'm getting there. Oh my. Wait, okay, so okay, I'm going to get this superhero board. Bam. Oh my. Oh, super jump. Super jump. Oh my. Wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 boards. That's 6 boards. Okay, let's see. No jumping! Score 20,000 in one run without jumping or rolling. I feel like I could do that. Gold is used. Score 10,000 in one run without collecting any coins. Oh my. Complete 6 missions in one run. Run like a kangaroo. We're super sneaker. 3 minutes in a row. Oh my. Okay, score 10,000 without changing lanes. Oh my. Think timing is everything. Collect exactly 30 coins in one run. I think I can do that. Not now. Because this is insane. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna change my nickname to Master Surfer. Master Surf. That's my name. Master Surf. Wait, what? Hey, I'm going back to Game or Die. Now I have to beat my own record. I'm going back to Game or Die. Man. Game or Die. That's better. Master Surf and Game or Die. Oh my. That is literally crazy. Single boost. Okay, I think I'm gonna increase the duration of jetpack. Now it's 30,000? Oh my gosh. What on earth? 200. That's insane. Okay, guys, but that's just, look at that number. It looks like so big, it looks like a phone number, but it's missing 4 digits. So, guys, that is going to be the end of the video, and goodbye. Thank you for watching the ultimate run. So, yeah, goodbye now. Tagbot's gonna wave you now. So, he's gonna say goodbye. So in a minute. Any minute now. When he waves goodbye, I'm gonna say goodbye. Kidding! Okay, so he's gonna wave goodbye now. And okay. Wave goodbye, Tagbot. Wave goodbye. I want you to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye to the people. Wave goodbye. Okay, goodbye.